Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to introduce you to a new feature that I've wanted to add, and now I'm happy that I've added it to the Zoho CRM full training. So if you've come to the Zoho training, you know there's 30 plus lessons and it's growing all the time. People are asking questions in the forum and we're trying to evolve and make it better all the time. Now, when you go to your training, obviously that makes it quite hard to go, well, where's the lesson on leads, or where's the lesson on accounts? So what I've been able to do is create an extension to Zoho so you can take links within your Zoho, right? But let me show you what I mean. So if you see here now on the introduction, it says add quick links to my training in your Zoho CRM. Add links inside, you've just got to click here. You've got to be you've got to be an admin to install this on your Zoho, and it also won't work on the free version unless you're on the trial, and I'm not sure if it'll continue to work after the trial. So this is really for paid versions. I'm afraid it's one of the stipulations on Zoho's pricing. So it says Paul Nicholson Zoho CRM training. Do you want to install? You just click I have agreed and install. And what that does is going to add, you're going to want to install it for all your users. One of the reasons I wanted to do with this is I want you to be able to say to your team, just click on Paul's training. It's in that section. Just go to Paul's training. You probably tell them all the time, if you want to learn about it, go to Paul's training on thingy, and they go, all right, and don't turn up. Well, now you can say, if you click install for all users, now you can say each tab has got a link to Paul's training. So whenever you get stuck, so what it's done is it's added to each of these modules, and I'm probably going to do it for quotes and invoices as well. It's just added buttons and links. So if I now go to leads, and if I had a list of leads, if you click here, there's a button that says PN training, and that takes you to training on leads. If I click on that leads, there's a link up here in the buttons, PN lead training. Right? If I go down here to links, PN lead training. So basically what it's doing is in every place, every time you put edit, PN lead training, right? If I went to leads and add, PN lead training. So now you get that I'm putting buttons to say, right, jump me straight to that training. I need to know what leads are. Same for accounts, same for contacts, same for deals. So if you click on here, PN lead training. If I click here and look for the button, PN lead PN accounts training now, right? And then down the bottom here, PN accounts training. So what I wanted to do within your CRM, all it's doing is adding links. It's not accessing your data. It's not showing me anything in your CRM. I don't get access to know anything about you. It's just adding links. So when you've got new employees or you've got people who haven't used certain things, you might want to go to deals, potentials or deals, or yours will say deals. When I go to add PN deals training, and I will edit this page, and this is a discussion forum where people can reply, Paul, it doesn't make sense, or how do I do this? And I'll put links in there and give better training. I'm very aware through looking at lesson completion that people will do the first 3 or 4 lessons and then they'll drop off and not come back. Well, I want you to add it to your CRM and be able to get more out of it. I do plan to add it to quotes. It isn't on quotes and sales orders and purchase orders and invoices yet. I will add links to those. I'm also looking to put a tab in this, these 3 dots to more tabs, where it actually says Paul training, and embed more training interactively within Zoho. I'm looking into it. I can't release it right now because it's not ready to go, but I want a place where you can grab training very easily. So I hope that putting those extra links, putting buttons that say lead training, if you click edit, there's no other custom buttons, lead training, I want you to get to my information easy so that it's not slowing you down. I want to get you flying. And if you've got to now, I know what it's like. If you've got to go off and search for training on that lead, what's the lead again? What's the difference between a lead and a contact? Oh well, there's a button here. There's a button here that takes me contact training. So I hope it helps. Give it a try. Wherever you're watching this, I will put links to that. It's actually, at the moment, it's a private marketplace app because it's not been approved by Zoho, but I'm hoping in the next 3 or 4 days it'll get approved by Zoho and you'll be able to find it in the actual marketplace. So just another way to keep that training coming. Hope it helps. Any questions, as always, you know where to find me.